पिछले कई सालों तो पेंटागन वाशिंगटन DC विखे दिवाली मनाई जाती है, जिस नाल लोकां नूं इंडियन ट्रेडिशनस अते कल्चर बारे जागरूक किया जाता है। पर इस साल की दिवाली कुछ खास सी, क्योंकि इस साल दिवाली अते वेटरन्स डे इकट्ठे सन। वेटरन्स डे ते अमरीका विच उन्हां लोकां नूं याद किया जाता है जिन्हां ने जंग दे मैदान विच जूझदे होए अपनी जान दे के शहीदी पाई। आओ तुहानूं दिखाउंदे हां साल 2015 च पेंटागन विखे दिवाली किस तरह मनाई गई।
Diwali at Pentagon started beautifully by Mr. Hitul Thakur doing the holy prayers and puja and asking for God's blessings for peace for humanity. India's traditional dance, Bharatnatyam, was performed by talented local artists. Young kids participated in the festivity too and sang melodious religious hymns for the guests in attendance. Showcasing the richness of India's culture, there were traditional dance performances from various states of India, highlighting the diversity of India. White House Commissioner of Asian American Pacific Islanders Commission, Mr. Ravi Chaudhary, a veteran himself, welcomed the guests and shared his thoughts about what Diwali at Pentagon means to the South Asian community. He also highlighted the fact how this year Diwali coincidentally fell on Veterans Day, making the day all the more important as it was celebrated at Pentagon.
And it's amazing to have troops and soldiers, sailors, airmen, and Marine come from all over the nation to take part in this wonderful event. It really is heartening to see the troops who have been serving their nation, some for just weeks and others for many years, and dedicated themselves to service. And it was just a wonderful event to take part in and see just the amount of unity that can be created from one event.
This year's Diwali program was dedicated to a young lady who serves for the U.S. Army, who recently lost her father unexpectedly. The first Diya of Diwali was lighted in his memory.
He was a phenomenal human being, and to see him recognized in such a way is very humbling, and we couldn't thank anyone enough for what they've done for our family and for him. Saw me through graduation. I've been in the Navy for almost 6 years now, and it was the one thing he was most proud of. And if there's any advice I can give to the women out there that want to pursue this career is don't let anyone talk you out of it. This uniform means the world to me. I don't think I'd ever hold any other position or have any other job that would bring me more pride and satisfaction as this uniform does.
Celebrating Diwali, that too at the Pentagon, and not show the Bollywood moves? Well, that just can't happen. There were beautiful dances also showcasing India's Bollywood. Closing remarks and awards were presented by Chaplain Colonel Kenneth Williams, who thanked all for coming and making this a memorable day for everyone.
America, the United States, is made up of a great variety of people with different traditions and faith groups, and we want to celebrate that. We believe there's great strength in understanding and appreciating each other. So with all of our faith groups, the growth of our programs has been remarkable, that people are coming to them, they want to learn about other faith groups, they're showing appreciation for the other faith groups. So it's very exciting for us to be able to be a part of breaking down barriers and creating understanding.
ਇਹ ਸਨ ਹੁਣ ਤੱਕ ਦੀਆਂ